conditioning acting up? Nothing can be more frustrating than coming home after a long day to a hot house. Or worse yet, waking up in a puddle of sweat. Our company specializes in air conditioning installation and repair and can help to quickly and cost-effectively resolve your AC issues. The best part is, we're available to provide same-day service. So in most cases, we can get your AC working again today. We'll help you understand your options and identify the solutions that will best fit your needs. When you call us, you can expect same-day service, upfront pricing, and licensed professionals with decades of experience. Give us a call today at 815-265-6129 for fast, same-day solutions. We look forward to servicing you.